Jingin is the work I'm doing. I'm doing a form of healing on many aspects. I do tend to really deal with depression, anxiety, and stress based on the fact that people don't understand that they're dysfunctional if they're not connected to the earth. You transfer energy, and that energy could be good or bad. Now, if it's bad, what happens is your base chakra closes, and when it closes, you're now disconnected from the earth. You're like a leaf blowing in the wind, or a kite without string, a ship with no anchor. This is a serious problem because everyone's suffering from depression, and they're taking some kind of pharmaceutical aid to get through it, when really it's broken down to the fact you're not connected to the earth from which you were, if you believe in the Bible, created from. And this I'm bringing to everyone's attention now. The way I work is to show you. Telling you something doesn't mean you understand it, but if I show it to you, then you know you know. Crystals, when they're applied correctly and used correctly, can activate your blood, which causes you to vibrate at a different frequency. Now, we're all light beings, and if we do not vibrate as light beings, we are dysfunctional. If we look into the world and what's going on now, everyone is disconnected. They are more connected to mobile phones and TVs and wireless and computers than they are to themselves. That's what the real problem is. So, I'm just here to show people I can stop your depression, anxiety, and stress in 10 minutes, and I can prove it in 10 minutes. So that's that core body consciousness. Once your base chakra's connected, I can then give you another pendant that I make. Because I'm an alchemist. I'll make another pendant that will spin all of your chakras, and that will just make you want to vibe over a cup of tea and have lunch and things. It's a really beautiful feeling. I sell premium specimen quartz crystals, museum quality, rare specimens. And then I use these rare specimens to create products for the law of attraction, money to draw money. You know, for Reiki masters, they come to me. I make tools, I make the rods. These rods will take you so fast into meditation, it's unbelievable rocket fuel. These rods will expand your auric field. I make the practical tools you need for ascension. Cause you're gonna ascend from there. From nowhere to somewhere is an ascension. I make tools for your food, to put your microwave dinners on and re-energize your food. Okay, change water to elixir, change fruit, take out the negativity out of fruit. Anything, baby food, the whole 9 yards. I've done it all. Pendants to reconnect you and to ascend you. I do pyramid healing, where I re-attenuate your chakra system. I make parts of your body vibrate. I don't know, my world is a crazy world.